Ladies and gentlemen, today we take a closer look at a groundbreaking weapon in the global arena of defense technology, Israel's Iron Beam laser system. This marvel of modern engineering, officially known as Magen or Light Shield, was unveiled by Israeli defense contractor Rafael at the Singapore Air Show back in 2014. It's not merely a laser, it's a harbinger of a new era, where the skies are guarded not by metal, but by beams of concentrated light. Recently, the Iron Beam laser system demonstrated its prowess by successfully intercepting aerial threats during a test conducted in southern Israel earlier this year, marking a significant stride towards operational deployment. The enthusiasm surrounding this weapon is palpable, with Israeli officials envisioning it as a game-changer in air defense, efficiently countering missile, drone, and mortar threats. The operational deployment of Iron Beam is on the horizon, with expectations set for a timeline of 2 to 3 years. It's not just a standalone system, it's foreseen to be integrated with the famed Iron Dome air defense system, heralding a new epoch in how nations shield their skies. The integration is aimed at reducing the costs associated with intercepting aerial threats, which is crucial in the face of relentless missile and rocket attacks Israel endures. The Iron Beam laser system is not merely a concept, but a reality inching closer to deployment. In April, it was showcased to U.S. President Joe Biden during his visit to Israel, underlining its importance and the progress made thus far. The system, once operational, is expected to be swiftly deployed, protecting the nation's borders more efficiently by engaging threats even before they cross into Israeli airspace. The Iron Beam signifies a dramatic shift in warfare and defense technology, embracing the power of directed energy to ensure national security. It's a vivid testament to how continual innovation is reshaping the battlefield, promising a future where threats from the sky are met with a formidable beam of light, safeguarding the innocent and heralding a new dawn in aerial defense. So, as we venture into this new era, the Iron Beam stands as a beacon of the endless possibilities that lie ahead in the realm of defense technology, redefining how nations protect their skies and ensuring a safer tomorrow.